Hello and welcome you all at Haxnology Hacker 16 channel. Today we will be discussing about basics of Python, so let's get started with our first point. 1. What is a Python? Python is a high-level interpreted language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989. It is used in various fields such as artificial intelligence, web development, etc. 2. Features of Python. 1. It is simple to understand due to its simple syntax and similarity with English language. 2. It is an open-source programming language. Data types in Python. Python has 5 standard data types. 1. Number data type. It is used to store numeric values in Python. 2. Strings. It is used to hold string data types in Python. 3. Lists. It is used to store a list of any data types. 4. Tuple. It is a immutable data type and is used to store a sequence of values belonging to a particular type. 5. Dictionaries. These are mutable unordered collections with elements in the form of a key, value pairs that associate keys and value. With all this information we come to the end of this video. For more such videos on Python and hacking, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching.